Hi, guys. For today's tutorial we're going to create a very simple character in Photoshop that we will animate in Adobe Character Animator. So this is an example of what we are trying to achieve, but we'll make a simpler one. Let's make a 1080 by 1080 document with 72 pixels. Step 1 is we're going to create a sketch layer for our character. Create a new layer and using your brush tool from the Tools panel, draw a very basic character face. And name that layer, Sketch Layer. Your character doesn't have to be super polished or stylized. It just needs to have the basic parts of the face. Step 2. Using the Shape tool, create an ellipse or a circle for the face shape. Create a new layer for the hair and using your brush tool, draw your character's hair. Lastly, we need to merge the face shape and the hair layer into one. And we need to rename the layer as Face Background. Now we are done with the base of our character, which is the face background. Third step is we're going to create the eyes. For the eyes we are still going to use the ellipse tool. Insert one big circle for the left eyeball, a smaller one for the pupil, and one with the same size of the eyeball as the blink shape. An easier way to do the blink is to duplicate the eyeball and change its color as the skin tone of your face. Now we need to rename the layers. Name the eyeball layer as left eyeball, the pupil layer as plus left pupil, and the blink layer as left blink. The next step is we need to group these eye layers into one folder. Insert a folder and drag all these eye layers to the folder and name that folder plus left eye. The next step is we're going to duplicate this folder for the right eye. After duplicating the folder and its content, we have to replace all left to right, so it'll reflect correctly in Character Animator. Step number 4. Now that we have already two eyes, we are going to create a nose. Insert a new layer, and using your brush, draw the nose of your character. We also have to rename that layer into plus nose. Step number 5. We're now going to create the eyebrows of our character. Insert a new layer and using the brush tool, draw an arc on top of the eyes. We will name this layer as plus left eyebrow. Next is we're also going to duplicate the eyebrow for the right one. Duplicate the left eyebrow and flip it horizontally. Now that you already have your eyebrows, it's now time to do the mouth shapes. There are usually 14 standard mouth shapes in Character Animator, but we'll only be doing the basic expressions: the neutral, surprised, and smile mouths. Using the brush tool, we'll create different mouth shapes in Photoshop. Take note that each mouth shape must be placed in different layers. Let's first start with the neutral mouth, rename the layer as neutral. Next one we do the surprised mouth, rename that layer as surprised. Lastly do the smile mouth and name that layer, smile. Next step is we group all the mouth shapes, and rename that folder into plus mouth. Lastly, we need to delete all the layers we don't need. like the sketch layer and the background layer. Before animating, we need to group all these layers and folders into one single folder and name it Head. Lastly, insert that one single folder into one more folder and name it plus character name. Lastly, insert that one single folder into one more folder and name it plus character name.